Hey guys, this is Tony DiMaria from Full Sense Pro, and we're going to check out the ProAim Airwave Isolator Arm and how to set it up. Let's get to it. Alright, so we're going to check out the isolator arm. So there's some pretty sweet latches right here. Definitely an industrial roadie case. Really high tech. You know, it can definitely handle some impact. Open it up, wow. This thing's awesome, man. I mean, really high quality foam. You got the isolator arm right here. The tools that it comes with to adjust and tighten. Always tighten down everything when you first get everything in shipping because it can get loose. Here's the vibration isolator right here. So it keeps the camera stable as well in terms of mounting. It does come with a cool Ronin M mount that you can mount on here, but we're gonna do a free fly total in the whole mount. Some really nice finish on here. ProAim did a really great job making this. I mean, compared to the Flow Cine arm and any other products, I mean, this thing is super light, very good quality. This is the shock to adjust the load. And then here are the 2-inch clamps that go into your 2-inch pipe. And you got a nice tongue right here. Just rotate it for you guys. It says ProAim right here, it's pretty nice. This is pretty industrial grade metal too. Can't wait to set this thing up. So we're gonna do free fly toe in the hole on the vibration isolator. You can always throw foam in here as well just to help the dampening on big bumps. So we're gonna go through what actually goes into the rig that actually goes in the car. So we basically have 2 suctions. You got the rail, a super clamp, 3 2-inch dual pipe clamps. You got a clamp right here, a little clapper. I made my own bar mount that goes off of the Yakima rack.